Alex, it's December 22nd. Christmas is in 3 days.
I know. I can't believe how fast it came.
I'm so excited, but also a little nervous.
Nervous? Why nervous? You love Christmas.
I do, but my colleague invited me to her family's Christmas party tomorrow night.
That's wonderful. You'll have such a great time.
But Alex, it's all in English, her whole family, and I'm terrified I'll say something wrong or awkward.
Oh, Mia, you'll be fine. But you know what? This is perfect timing.
Why?
Because today, we're going to learn everything you need for Christmas conversations in English.
Really? Oh, thank goodness.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to LearnFlow English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. If you're watching this, Christmas is just around the corner.
And maybe you're invited to a Christmas party, or meeting English-speaking friends, or traveling during the holidays.
We're going to help you feel confident with all your Christmas conversations.
So please like and share this with your friends who also want to learn English in an easy, fun, and smart way.
Subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. We upload every single day.
Now, Mia, tell me about this party. When is it?
Tomorrow night, Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve. I love that. So what are you worried about exactly?
Well, first, when I arrive, what do I say? Just hello? That seems so boring.
Great question. Christmas greetings are special. You have lots of options.
Like what?
The classic is Merry Christmas, but you can also say Happy Holidays or Season's Greetings.
What's the difference?
Merry Christmas is specifically for Christmas. Happy Holidays includes Christmas, New Year, and other winter holidays. It's more inclusive.
So if I don't know what someone celebrates, I say Happy Holidays.
Exactly. Very thoughtful. You can also say, wishing you a wonderful holiday season.
That sounds nice and warm. What about when someone says it to me first?
Easy responses. Merry Christmas to you too, or same to you, or thank you, you as well.
You as well. I like that. Sounds polite.
Very polite. Now at the party, you'll probably get asked, what are you doing for Christmas?
Oh, what should I say?
Describe your plans. I'm spending Christmas with friends, or I'm visiting family, or I'm having a quiet Christmas at home.
What if I'm alone? Is it sad to say that?
Not at all. You can say, I'm having a peaceful, relaxing Christmas by myself, watching movies and eating good food. Make it sound positive.
That actually sounds lovely.
It does. And people might ask, do you celebrate Christmas in your country?
How do I answer that?
Talk about your traditions. Yes, in my country, we celebrate on Christmas Eve with a big dinner, or we exchange gifts on Christmas morning.
What if our traditions are different?
That's interesting. Share the differences. People love hearing about other cultures.
Like what?
In my country, we eat fish on Christmas Eve, or we open presents at midnight, or we have a tradition of singing carols in the street.
Oh, they'll be curious about that.
Yes, it's a great conversation starter. Now, let's talk about something important, bringing a gift to the party.
Yes. Should I bring something?
In most English-speaking cultures, yes, a small gift for the host is polite. Wine, chocolates, flowers, or a nice candle.
What do I say when I give it to them?
Hand it to them and say, I brought this for you. Thank you so much for inviting me. Or a little something to say thank you for having me.
Simple and sweet.
Yes, and they'll probably say, oh, you didn't have to, or that's so thoughtful.
What do I respond?
It's my pleasure, or I wanted to. Don't say it's nothing. That makes your gift seem unimportant.
Good point. What if someone gives me a gift? What do I say?
Show excitement. Oh, wow, thank you so much. Or this is so kind of you. Or I love it.
Even if I don't love it?
Yes, be polite. You can say, how thoughtful, or this is wonderful, thank you.
Should I open it right away?
In American and British cultures, usually yes. Open it in front of them and show appreciation.
What if it's something I already have or don't need?
Still be gracious. This is so lovely, thank you. You can exchange it later if needed.
Okay, so I'm at the party, I gave my gift, now what? How do I make small talk?
Christmas gives you so many conversation topics. Start with, your decorations are beautiful, or I love your Christmas tree.
Compliment the house?
Yes, People spend a lot of time decorating for Christmas. They love when you notice.
What else can I talk about?
Ask them about their traditions. Do you have any special Christmas traditions? Or what's your favorite Christmas memory?
Oh, that's a nice, warm question.
Very warm. People love sharing childhood Christmas stories.
What about food? There's always so much food at Christmas.
Perfect topic. Everything looks delicious. Did you make all this? Or what's this dish called? It smells amazing.
And if they offer me food, be enthusiastic. Yes, please, I'd love to try it. Or if you're full, it looks wonderful, but I'm so full, maybe in a little bit. What if I don't like something?
Be diplomatic. It's interesting. I've never tried this before. Don't say I don't like it. Too direct.
Just push it around my plate?
Exactly, the classic move.
What about drinks? Is it rude to refuse alcohol at a Christmas party?
Not at all. Just say, no thank you, I'll have water. Or, I'm not drinking tonight, but I love some juice.
No explanation needed?
No, your choice. If they push, just smile and say, I'm good with water, thanks.
Okay, now the party's going well, people are chatting, there's music. What if someone asks me to sing Christmas carols?
Oh, the dreaded carol singing.
I don't know English Christmas songs.
That's okay. You can say, I don't know the words, but I'll hum along. Or just clap and smile.
What if they insist?
Learn one simple song before you go. Jingle bells. Everyone knows it. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
I can do that. What about other party activities? Games?
Christmas games are common. Secret Santa, White Elephant, Christmas trivia.
What's Secret Santa?
Everyone brings a wrapped gift without their name on it. You draw numbers and pick gifts. It's fun.
What if I pick a gift and don't like it?
Smile anyway. Say, oh, fun, or how interesting. Remember, it's about the fun, not the gift.
What's White Elephant?
Similar, but you can steal someone else's gift. It gets competitive and funny.
That sounds chaotic.
It is, but fun chaotic. Just go with it and laugh.
Okay, now it's getting late, people are leaving. How do I say goodbye?
Thank your host. Thank you so much for having me. I had a wonderful time.
What if they say stay longer?
If you want to stay, say, are you sure? I don't want to overstay. If you need to leave, say, I'd love to, but I have to get going. Thank you again.
How do I wish them well when leaving?
Merry Christmas. Enjoy your holiday. Or have a wonderful Christmas with your family.
Should I hug everyone goodbye?
Read the room. If others are hugging, hug. If not, a wave and smile is fine. You can say, lovely to meet you.
What if someone asks, what are your New Year's plans as I'm leaving?
Quick answer. Not sure yet. Probably something quiet. Or maybe dinner with friends. How about you?
Keep it short since I'm leaving.
Exactly. Don't start a new long conversation when you're trying to leave.
Good tip. Now, Alex, what if I want to host a Christmas party? What do I need to know?
Oh, great question. When inviting people, be clear. I'm hosting a Christmas party on December 24th at 7 p.m. Can you come?
Should I tell them what to bring?
Yes. It's potluck. Bring a dish to share. Or just bring yourself. Or BYOB. Bring your own bottle.
BYOB?
Bring your own bottle means bring your own drinks.
Smart. What do I say when guests arrive?
Welcome them warmly. I'm so glad you could make it. Come in, come in. Let me take your coat.
Should I give a tour of my house?
Quick tour is nice. Bathrooms down the hall. Drinks in the kitchen. Make yourself at home.
What if someone shows up empty-handed? No gift.
That's okay. Not everyone brings gifts. Just welcome them warmly anyway.
How do I keep the conversation going at my party?
Introduce people to each other. Sarah, this is Tom. Tom, Sarah. You both love hiking.
Give them a conversation starter.
Exactly. Help people connect.
What if there's an awkward silence?
Ask a group question. So, what's everyone's favorite Christmas movie? Or, anyone have funny Christmas stories?
That gets everyone talking.
Yes, and Christmas is perfect for this. Everyone has Christmas stories.
What about Christmas music? Should I play it?
Absolutely, but not too loud. Background music so people can still talk.
Classic Christmas songs.
Yes, Bing Crosby, Mariah Carey, Michael Bublé. Everyone loves those.
What if someone doesn't celebrate Christmas? Maybe they're Jewish or Muslim.
Be inclusive. You can say Happy Holidays instead of Merry Christmas. And ask about their traditions. Do you celebrate anything this time of year?
Show interest in their culture too.
Exactly. Respect and curiosity.
What about sensitive topics? Should I avoid anything?
Yes, avoid politics, religion arguments, and money. Keep it light and festive.
Just happy topics.
Yes, Christmas is about joy and togetherness. Save heavy topics for another time.
What if Uncle Bob starts talking about politics?
Change the subject. Speaking of which, who wants more pie? Or, oh, I love this song. Turn it up.
Smooth redirect.
Very smooth. Now, let's talk about Christmas morning. If you're with English speakers on Christmas Day, what do you say?
Merry Christmas, right?
Yes, big smile. Merry Christmas. How did you sleep? Or, Merry Christmas. I'm so excited.
What about opening presents with others?
Take turns. Don't rush. When someone opens your gift, watch their reaction.
What if they don't like it?
They'll be polite. They'll say, oh, how nice. Or, thank you. Don't worry.
How do I react when opening presents?
Show excitement. Oh, wow. Or, this is amazing. Or, how did you know I wanted this?
Even if it's socks?
Even if it's socks. Oh, perfect. I needed these.
What about thank you cards? Should I send them?
In some cultures, yes. A simple text or email is fine. Thank you again for the wonderful gift and for having me. I had such a lovely time.
That's thoughtful.
Very. People appreciate it.
Last question. What if someone asks, what do you want for Christmas? And I don't know what to say.
You can be vague. Oh, I don't need anything. Just time with family and friends. Or maybe some books. Or surprise me.
Keep it simple.
Yes, don't make them stress about finding the perfect gift.
Alex, I feel so much better now. I'm actually excited for this party.
You should be. You're going to have a wonderful time.
I have all the phrases I need.
You do. Just be yourself, be warm, and enjoy the holiday spirit.
And if I make a mistake...
Laugh about it. Christmas is about joy, not perfection.
Perfect advice. Well, everyone, that's everything for today.
We hope this helps you feel confident at all your Christmas gatherings.
Merry Christmas to all of you. We're so grateful for you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and share with your friends who also want to learn English.
Subscribe to LearnFlow English. New episodes every single day.
Tell us in the comments, how do you celebrate Christmas? What are your traditions?
We read every comment and we'd love to hear your Christmas stories.
Thank you so much for being part of our LearnFlow family.
Wishing you all a wonderful, warm, joyful Christmas.
See you tomorrow. Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Bye-bye.